Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I am a teacher. In this video, I am going to give you information regarding very important multiple choice questions for entrance exam of Master of Public Health, that is MPH. This video is very useful for various university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exam like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test CUET PG, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMAT Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU, Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, ICMR, and for all other university and institutes Master of Public Health entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and various universities and institutes MPH entrance exam, and for this if they want important question PDF notes and want online or offline coaching, so they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. So here first question is, secret of national health lies in the homes of people. Statement by, secret of national health lies in the homes of people. This statement is given by option A Indira Gandhi, option B Abraham Lincoln, option C Joseph Bohr, option D Florence Nightingale. Correct answer is Florence Nightingale. Secret of national health lies in the homes of people. This statement is given by Florence Nightingale. Next question is, first bacterium discovered as cause of a disease was. First bacterium discovered as cause of a disease was option A TB bacillus, option B leprosy bacillus, option C anthrax bacillus, option D plague bacillus. Correct answer is anthrax bacillus. First bacterium discovered as cause of a disease was anthrax bacillus. Anthrax bacillus was the first bacterium which was discovered as a cause of a disease. Next question is, match the following. Match the following. In option A, first option A Edward Jenner, and first match is rabies and anthrax. Option B Louis Pasteur. Second match is smallpox. Option C Albert Calmet and Camille Guerin. Third match is poliomyelitis, and option D Pierre Lapin. Option 4 is tuberculosis. So correct match with of Edward Jenner is related with smallpox. So correct match of Edward Jenner is with smallpox. Correct match of Louis Pasteur is with rabies and anthrax. Louis Pasteur is related with rabies and anthrax. Albert Calmette and Camille Guerin is related with tuberculosis, and Pierre Lapin is related with poliomyelitis. So I am repeating this again. Correct match of Edward Jenner is with smallpox. Correct match of Louis Pasteur is with rabies and anthrax. Correct match of Albert Calmette and Camille Guerin is with tuberculosis, and correct match of Pierre Lapin is with poliomyelitis. Next question is, WHO declared that smallpox has been eradicated in. WHO, World Health Organization, declared that smallpox has been eradicated in option A May 1978, option B September 1984, option C May 1980, option D July 1987. Correct answer is May 1980. WHO, World Health Organization, declared that smallpox has been eradicated in. Correct answer is May 1980. World Health Organization declared that smallpox has been eradicated in May 1980. Its explanation is, WHO declared global eradication of smallpox 8 May 1980. Also remember, eradication is defined as termination of transmission of infection completely by extermination of the infectious agent. Globally, only one disease, smallpox, has been eradicated till date. Poliovirus 2 eradicated on 20 September 2015. Few important dates in public health. 7th April 1948, Constitution of WHO came into force. 8 May 1980, WHO declared eradication of smallpox. Next question is breastfeeding week is celebrated on option A first week of March, option B first week of July, option C first week of August, option D 1st December. Correct answer is first week of August. Breastfeeding week is celebrated on first week of August. First week of August is celebrated as breastfeeding week. Its explanation is theme for WBFW 2014 breastfeeding a winning goal for life. So breastfeeding week is celebrated on first week of August. Next question is World Health Day is celebrated on. World Health Day is celebrated on option A 1st December, option B 31st May, option C 7th April, option D 8th May. Correct answer is 7th April. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Next question is who is regarded as father of public health? Who is regarded as father of public health? Option A Louis Pasteur, option B cholera, option C John Snow, option D Robert Koch. Correct answer is cholera. Cholera is regarded as father of public health. Next question is quarantine of earlier time has now been replaced by. Quarantine of earlier time has now been replaced by option A isolation, option B ring immunization, option C active surveillance, option D none of the above. Correct answer is active surveillance. Quarantine of earlier time has now been replaced by active surveillance. Its explanation is with availability of better methods of prevention, diagnosis and treatment of a disease, quarantine use has declined. Quarantine has been nowadays replaced by active surveillance. Next question is socialization of medicine means. Socialization of medicine means option A study of man as a social being in his total environment, option B provision of medical services and professional education by the state but operated and regulated by the government, option C provision of medical services and professional education by the state but operated and regulated by professional groups rather than by the government, option D study of man as a social being in his whole life. So correct answer is provision of medical services and professional education by the state but operated and regulated by professional groups rather than by government. So question here is socialization of medicine means. What is socialization of medicine means? Its correct answer is provision of medical services and professional education by the state but operated and regulated by professional groups rather than by the government. So provision of medical services and professional education by the state but operated and regulated by professional groups rather than by the government. So this is the correct option. Next question is benefit of socialization of medicine are all accept. Benefit of socialization of medicine are all accept. Option A it eliminates competition among physicians in search of clients. Option B it ensures social equity and universal coverage. Option C medical care becomes free for the patient which is supported by the state. Option D patients can get good quality of treatment without cost. So correct answer is benefit of socialization of medicine are all accept. Patients can get good quality of treatment without cost. So benefit of socialization of medicine are option A, B and C are correct. That is benefit of socialization of medicine are it eliminates competition among physicians in search of clients. It ensures social equity and universal coverage. Medical care becomes free for the patients which is supported by the state. So these all are options are correct for benefit of socialization of medicine, and the option patients can get good quality of treatment without cost, this option is not correct in respect to benefit of socialization of medicine. So in this video, important multiple choice questions has been given for the entrance exam of Master of Public Health, that is MPH, for various university and institutes like AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Jodhpur, AIIMS Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, PGI MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, JNU Hyderabad University, Lucknow University, Rajiv Gandhi Health University, Pune University, ICMR, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health entrance exam, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes MPH entrance exam. And for this, if they want important question PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can get the information regarding important questions videos and get the information for various jobs and admissions. Thanks for watching this video.